Hello， 大家好，歡迎大家嚟到海洋公園嘅雀鳥劇場。我係呢位雀鳥訓練員，我個名叫 Mandy。Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Ocean Park Bird Theatre. I'm Bird Trainer Mandy。大家好，歡迎大家來到海洋公園嘅雀鳥劇場，我是訓練員 Mandy。咁啊，第一次同大家見面嘅雀仔係我哋全劇場咧最細小嘅鸚鵡明星。咁啊，事不宜遲啦，有請我哋嚟自澳洲嘅彩虹吸蜜鸚鵡 V 仔。This is Rainbow Lobby, we come from the Australia。這個是彩虹絲咪鸚鵡。咁啊，細隻嘅 V 仔出嚟做咩咧？原來 V 仔話俾我聽咧，佢已經夠鐘食午餐啦。咁佢想邀請在場嘅3位小朋友出嚟餵下佢食嘢，同埋同佢影翻張靚相嘅喎。Now I'd like to invite few little kids to come out here to feed our birds now。現在我想是3位小朋友出來 V 3個 channel 面先。咁啊，有興趣嘅小朋友咧唔使出嚟住嘅喎，坐定定喺個位度先。大家陣間咧我會數1、2、3㗎。咁你舉手舉得最快咧，我就會邀請你出嚟㗎啦。If you feel interested, raise up your hand after count 1, 2, 3。我哋每一邊觀眾席咧就揀1位小朋友啦，坐定定先喎。係啦，要翻埋位坐低先喎。好啦，咁啊，我準備數㗎咯喎。準備1、2、3。我見到呢邊紅色外套嘅妹妹咧就比較快啲啦，妹妹你可以慢慢行過嚟啦。咁啊，佢叫做彩虹吸蜜鸚鵡。原來彩虹嘅意思咧係講緊飛仔身上面七彩繽紛，有好多種唔同顏色，就好似咧彩虹咁靚嘅羽毛。They have a beautiful favorite color, so that's why this is called the rainbow lorry。好啦，今次就嚟到中間嘅小朋友咯，咁你放低手先，放低手先啊！準備，放低手先啊，妹妹，1、2。準備啦，1、2、3。咁我見到咧粉紅色衫個妹妹就最快啦，妹妹你過嚟啦。咁啊要小心，我哋台中間有個大水池嘅喎。咁你同唔到 V 仔影相咧，唔使失望㗎，因為表演完之後咧，仲有好多好靚嘅金剛鸚鵡咧會出嚟同你影相留念。咁啊另外咧，原來 V 仔企喺太陽花上面食食物咧係有原因嘅喎。原因咧就係因為咧佢哋會好似蝴蝶或者蜜蜂咁樣吸食花朵上面細小嘅花粉同埋花蜜。咁啊，仲有呢邊嘅小朋友咯喎，準備啦，1、2、3。我見到第3行咧著住外套嘅妹妹咧就最快啦，你可以慢慢沿住樓梯咧行落嚟㗎。They can't have a beautiful face, they can't have a good surface in order to help them to collect the pollen and the nectar。雖然咧今日咧有啲風暴，但係 V 仔企喺對太陽花上面咧企得好穩陣㗎。原因係因為鸚鵡嘅腳趾構造好特別，兩隻腳趾喺前面，兩隻腳趾喺後面，咁樣就方便佢哋喺岩石或者樹木上面攀爬。V 仔話俾我聽咧，佢已經食飽飽啦，佢都係時候咧同大家講拜拜啦，拜拜，唔該 V 仔。咁見完我哋全劇場咧最細小嘅鸚鵡明星，原來我哋劇場咧仲有最細小嘅猛禽明星嘅喎。咁啊有請我哋嚟自非洲嘅地中海準 Sky。This is the Lena Falcon Sky, come from the Africa。咁啊等佢行近啲咧，俾大家望清楚咧佢個樣先。咁啊有啲朋友咧望埋佢會發現咧佢頭上面好似戴咗頂帽咁樣，望嚟望去咧都望唔到佢嘅眼睛嘅喎。咁啊原來咧係佢哋嗰個咧我哋叫做頭套，係因為咧地中海象係一啲容易受環境所刺激同埋影響嘅雀仔，喺運輸途中或者表演之前咧，我哋會先幫佢戴上呢個頭套，咁樣咧就可以令到佢哋鎮定啲啦。Lena Falcon are easily excited and disturbed bird. That's why we will put our hook on them to cover their eyes。咁啊，佢咧今次就唔係出嚟咧幫大家咧影相留念喎。嗱，佢會表演佢嘅絕技俾大家睇下㗎，就係一個捕捉嘅訓練示範。要捕捉一啲嘢，當然咧要有目標啦。喺另外一位訓練員手上面呢個好似兔仔耳仔形狀嘅咧，就係佢嘅目標物 lure。咁上邊咧我哋會講咗 Sky 最中意食嘅肉類嘅喎。Another trainer is holding the lure. This is the target for Sky to catch on。因為咧，我哋嘅雀鳥明星咧仲喺訓練嘅當中啦，咁所以咧，我哋咧避免佢飛得太遠而令自己受傷嘅話咧，我哋會喺佢腳上面咧綁上呢條長繩㗎。唔係你唔好睇佢話喺佢細隻咁飛得快唔快㗎，原來咧準係一啲飛得好快嘅雀仔，就似乎咧喺4000年前咧已經有人咧會訓練佢哋出去幫手打獵，捉啲獵物嚟食嘅喎。 咦，打開呢個頭套之後 ，Sky 望到獵物之後咧，好快就會飛出去，用佢腳上面嘅利爪緊緊捉住啲獵物，然之後慢慢先至會用個嘴巴咧撕開啲獵物嚟食㗎。另外，你會終於望到佢嗰雙又圓又大嘅眼睛啦，原來係會生喺頭嘅正前方，咁樣咧就可以望清楚啲獵物喺邊。提供一個立體嘅影像俾佢哋咧，揾個機會去破擊佢哋嘅獵物嘅喎。The eyes of Lena Falcon are located at the front of the head. It can help them to locate an object through 3D vision while hunting。咁啊，原來猛禽咧唔係每一次咧出擊咧都可以捉到佢哋嘅獵物㗎，所以咧 Sky 今日都做得好好啊！不如我哋俾一次掌聲咧，鼓勵一下我哋嘅雀鳥明星啦，亦都唔該晒我哋嘅訓練員。喺呢個時候咧，我哋都要翻去準備下先啦，係因為咧森林後面咧仲有好多好靚嘅雀鳥明星係等住同你見面㗎，轉頭見。